Now, if you have clicked on this video, chances are you're maybe not feeling very flexible, and many of our community at the Frog Project would not categorize themselves as flexible, but they still get so many benefits from yoga. And we do 20 live classes a week. We have a wonderful community, lots of connection, lots of support. And so if you're not feeling flexible, come along, give us a go, and we'll guide you into feeling stronger, better, and more flexible. But if you just have a few minutes, why not try this video, and I'll share with you a couple of tips and tricks to help find a bit more space in the body, the back body especially, which helps us to be more flexible. Okay, let's go. So come up to stand, and if you have a few props around, you might like to grab, I've created this little tower with a couple of blocks and a bolster. Now, if you don't have fancy yoga gear like this, just grab some pillows from your bed and make yourself a stack. Or grab a chair and bring it in front of you, but make sure the edge of the chair is soft. So put a blanket or something on it. So if you need to hit pause, do that and set yourself up a little table space tower over there. And then when you're ready, come back to stand. Take a few moments here, little bend in the knees, roll through the shoulders. Stay away from your tower, and we're going to do a little flexibility test. So you can breathe in, lift up, and as you exhale, little bend in your knees, fold forward. So maybe this is as far as you go. Maybe you're feeling creaks and kinks and discomfort in your back, in your legs. So just take a moment here, maybe close the eyes, perhaps hold the elbows if it's feeling uncomfortable in the arms, and just notice, what do you feel? Where does it feel funny in the back or the legs? Where are the blockages? And then when you're ready, gently come back up. Oh, that's a lot, especially if you haven't done a fold in a while. So just take your time here. I'm going to guide us through a few activities or stretches now, which help to wake up the brain, wake up all the pathways. You don't need to understand the science behind this, but all we're doing is making space for the body, the mind, and then you move into that space. So let's try it. First of all, standing here, give your shoulders a little roll. Give your hands a little shake. Shake into your hands, into your wrists, and now shake into your arms. Shaking both of your arms here for 5, 4. If you've got rings on the fingers, see if you can shake them off. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Notice sensations here in the hand. And then if you're by a wall, step away, and we're going to do some slightly bigger movements with the body. So feet hip distance apart, soft in your knees, and start to slowly swing your arms from side to side. Trying not to focus too much on what's moving. Move your center, and your arms will follow. Breathe as you go. See if you can pick up a little bit of momentum now. As we swing for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowing things down. Good. And again, just notice how you feel. Maybe a little buzzy in the body, little sensations there. And as you bring your feet so they're hip distance apart, breathe in, lift up through the arms, lift up the heels, and as you stay here, hold the breath and see if you can reach just a little taller. And then exhale slowly, release the hands, release the feet. We're going to do this to a count. So breathing in for 3, 2, 1. Now hold the breath. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. And hold the breath out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. And hold the breath out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time. Breathe in. 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath in. 6, 5. Reach a little bit taller. 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. 3, 2, 1. And hold the breath out. 6, 5, 4. Stand tall through the spine. 3, 2, 1. And breathe normally. Good. Now come back to your tower. And we're going to soften into the knees, soften into the knees. Take a big breath in, lift all the way up, maybe lean back. Then as you exhale, slowly, slowly, soften yourself down. Let yourself be supported by your tower or your chair or the edge of your bed. And notice if you have a bit more space in the body, in the mind. If you need to put a bigger bend in the knees there, go ahead. Maybe rest your forehead or your arms. Good, and then when you're ready, slowly, slowly coming up. And gently here, give your shoulders a roll, your hands a little shaken. I hope you enjoyed that little routine, and it just goes to show that a little bit of movement, a little bit of breathing can open up parts of the body, the mind that are feeling closed or blocked. Flexibility isn't just about how far forward you fold, but it's about your ability to navigate daily situations, conversations, things like this. Stuff that yoga is amazing at helping us be better able to be part of the world. So come join us on the mat here at the Frog Project, and yeah, we'll do the rest. See you there.